नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 2-52 यदा ते मोहकलिलम, a study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Shukravasare, Friday, June 26, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Brutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavat Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Yada te moha-kalilam buddhir-vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. Padacheda. Yada te moha-kalilam buddhihi vyatitarishyati tada gantasi. Gantasi or ganta plus asi. Nirvedam shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. Phrase wise study. Vakyamshashaha abhyasa. Yada te buddhihi moha-kalilam vyatitarishyati. Active voice kartari prayogaha gaunaha subclause. Tada shrotavyasya shrutasya cha tvam nirvedam gantasi. Again active voice kartari prayogaha main clause pradhana vakyamsha. So a complex sentence, one subclause and one main clause. Samasashaha abhyasaha. Moha-kalilam. Moha-kalila नाम नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. मोहः च कलिलं च इति मोहकलिलं द्वंद्व. Note, मोहः delusion, कलिलं loss of balance, loss of discernment. Note, moha is an affliction of manaha, the mind. Kalilam is an affliction of buddhi, the intellect. Nirvedam, nirveda, visheshanam. Pullingam va napusakalingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Nirgataha vedaha yasmat tat va saha va, bahuvrihi. Devoid of sensibilities, state of tranquility, of peace, shantarasasya bhava. Note, Vedaha is with ghai, with to know, to be sensitive, to be knowledgeable. Hence, Vedaha is equal to sensibility, responsiveness. And Nirvedam, devoid of sensibilities. Tigantashaha abhyasa. Vyatitarishyati. Vi plus ati plus through. Prathamaganiyaha parasmepadi, to overcome. Kartari prayogaha lut lakaraha. Prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Gantasi. Gam prathamaganiyaha parasmepadi, to go. Kartari, this is a rarely used lakara, lut lakara. Madhyama purushaha ekvachanam. Asi. If we take gantasi to be comprising of ganta and asi, then asi will be another tigantam. As द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी, to be कर्तरि प्रयोगः लट् लकारः, मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. कृदन्तशः अभ्यासः। गन्ता, गम प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी एंड कृत प्रत्ययः तृच, गम तृच गंतृ, अर्थः गोइंग। जातिः विशेषणं, कर्तरि प्रयोगः पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्। श्रोतव्यस्य, श्रु प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, कृत प्रत्ययः तव्यत्, श्रुतव्यत् श्रोतव्य। टू बी लिसन टू, विशेषणं कर्मणि प्रयोगः नपुंसकलिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनम्। श्रुतस्य, श्रु धातुः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, कृत प्रत्ययः क्त, श्रुक्त श्रुत हर्ड। विशेषणं कर्मणि प्रयोगः नपुंसकलिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनम्। सुबन्तशः अभ्यासः। ते युष्मत्सर्वण, यु अत्र पुल्लिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनम्। बुद्धिः, प्रातिपदिकं बुद्धि, नाम इंटेलेक्ट, स्त्रीलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्। मोहः, we split मोह कलिलम as मोहः च कलिलं च, so मोहः मोह, नाम delusion, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम एंड कलिलम कलिल, नाम लॉस ऑफ बैलेंस, लॉस ऑफ डिसर्नमेंट, नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम। अन्वयार्थः यदा ते बुद्धिः मोहकलिलं व्यतितरिष्यति, when your intellect will have overcome delusion of the mind and loss of discernment, तदा श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च निर्वेदं गन्तासि, then you will have transcended sensibilities of what is already heard, learned, and what is to be listened to, what will fall on your ears. You will be in the realm of tranquility. Nothing to be learnt. यदा, छंदो विश्लेषण, यदा ते मोह कलिलम, ह कलि एतेषां मात्राः एका एका एका। बुद्धिर्व्यतितरिष्यति, तरिष्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका। तदा गन्तासि निर्वेदं, सि निर्वे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे। श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च, श्रुतस्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका। Except for the deviation in the first padaha, it is Anushtup Chanda. Swadhyaya, notes of self. In Swadhyayaha of previous shloka, I had noted in the dialogue up to here the concepts mentioned about what happens of the soul after death are Narake Niyatam Vasaha. 1-44. ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य 2-27, प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम 2-37, and there जन्म बंध विनिर्मुक्ताः अनामयं पदं गच्छन्ति 2-51. The last one of emancipation is obviously the best. That is what I noted there. Here what is mentioned is nirvedam, state of tranquility, which seems to be the experience even further to attaining Anamayam Padam. All this seems to delineate more and more of advancements on the spiritual path. The title of Gurudeva Ranade's commentary on Gita is Gita as a philosophy of God realization. One may wonder the propriety of all this for motivating Arjuna back to fight. The problem was that a person of Arjuna's caliber had lost his motivation. So the psychotherapy had to be of such high echelons. My father was a teacher. For me, he was both a father and a teacher. My studies at home were always way ahead of the school syllabus. I think anyone can adopt that philosophy to be ahead of the syllabus. In an instance needing psychotherapy, is there a syllabus? Give just the best therapy to the subject. Maybe we may think that we are not in as bad a state of melancholy as Arjuna was. Do we realize that losing motivation is a chronic disease we are afflicted by? So, regardless of whether the philosophy was appropriate for Arjuna on the battlefield, we need it very much. So, we should consider ourselves lucky that we are getting to learn it, even if with the pretext of melancholy of Arjuna. Let us be selfish in studying Gita. Also, let there not be any syllabus of what and how much of Gita to be studied. Lokmanya Tilak studied Gita through much of the 6 years of his imprisonment in Mandale. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 @gmail.com. Shubhamastu.